guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'll be making some authentic Jamaican curry chicken. I grew up eating lots of curry because I grew up in an Indian home. Most of you guys know. For all those who don't know, me have the best curry chicken recipe. Yeah. So guys, what we're gonna do today, these are all our seasoning. So I have some Irish that I already diced, some carrots, some bell peppers, hot pepper, my thyme. I have 2 onions. Guys, you can use 1 onion and 2 stalks of green onion. I have some garlic. Here I have my Cool Runnings curry, but this is a mixture of Better Pack curry and Cool Runnings curry. So I have Better Pack, Cool Runnings, and Indian curry. So I have 3 curry mixed in this, guys. You can only use the Cool Runnings or the Better Pack. It's up to you, but I love my Indian curry that I get from Jamaica. I'm putting some meat seasoning, onion powder and garlic powder. It's a mixture. Chicken seasoning, some cayenne, black pepper. And guys, I have to add a little of my masala. Some all-purpose and some Italian herb. So okay guys, let's get into the seasoning of the meat. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, onion powder and garlic powder mixed together. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon each. Okay guys, chicken seasoning, and I'm just going to add half tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half tablespoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of all-purpose Maggi seasoning. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Italian herb over this, about 1/4 or about half tablespoon. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my curry mixture in this, and we're going to combine everything together. So I'm going to combine this nicely, guys, okay? Okay guys, looking lovely. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our pot on the stove, and we're gonna put some oil. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add some garlic. So I have 2/3 cups of oil in this, guys. So I'm adding my garlic and my hot pepper, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my curry. And half tablespoon of my masala. So I'm using half tablespoon of the masala. Okay guys, so just want to mix this and let it burn for just, well, not burn, but we call it burn the curry in the oil. But you just want to toss this around a little bit. You don't want it to burn because it will get bitter, right? So now guys, we're going to put our chicken inside. Okay, space these out, guys. You just want to cover this, guys, and let it start to spring its own water before you do anything else. Okay, so we're gonna cover this down for like 5 minutes. Come back and check up on it and see what I go on. Okay guys, so let's check up on our chicken. So you just want to toss this around, guys. And I got another spoon. You just want to spin this around. Okay. And now guys, we're gonna be adding some water. So I'm going to add 6 cups of water to our chicken. Okay guys, so this is actually 4 cups, and I'm going back for 2 more cups. So that's 6 cups of water, guys. So now we're going to add our seasoning. So guys, we're going to add our thyme, our carrots, and our Irish potato. We won't be adding the rest of our garlic, or we're gonna beat these. So guys, we won't be adding our onions and our sweet pepper as yet. Okay guys, so I'm adding my garlic, and here I have some crushed pimento seeds. You want to add that as well. Give this a nice little stir. We won't be adding any salt as yet, guys. We're gonna wait until this the water reduce a little bit. Then we'll taste our pot and see if we need any salt. I'll be adding a piece of ginger right now, guys. Okay guys, so I beat some ginger and I'm just gonna add the ginger. And what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna cover this down, and then we're gonna leave it there for like 10 minutes. Come back, check up on it, see how we're doing. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so just let us look. Okay, looking lovely. We just want to give this a little bit of stir. Looking lovely, guys, coming together beautifully. So we're just gonna cover this back and allow it to reduce. Okay guys, so it's time to check up on our curry chicken, and it is looking lovely. So guys, what we're gonna do now, guys, we are going to put the rest of our seasoning. So guys, we want to go ahead now here, because you know you have to touch up the pot, because we season our chicken but we never put any actual seasoning after, right? So I have some garlic powder and some onion powder, about a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, about a teaspoon of Italian herb, and a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to put that in. And guys, we're going to put our sweet pepper that we had and our onions at this point. So let's add our sweet peppers or bell peppers. Look at that, guys, looking lovely, looking beautiful. So now, guys, we're going to add our onion. Let's add in our onions. Lovely, guys, lovely. Okay, so let's give this a toss, guys. Yes, looking absolutely amazing. So okay guys, we're gonna leave this now so it can be, the gravy can reduce. At this point, we're not gonna cover back our pot. We're just gonna leave it open so the gravy reduces. Okay guys, and we're gonna come back. It's gonna look beautiful when all that gravy is thickened. Okay guys, it is smelling so good, guys. If you have not thumbs up this video, please thumbs up this video right now, guys. See there, guys, it's coming along very well. I want to make sure that my gravy goes down a little bit more, so it's not complete yet, but yeah, It's coming along. Look at that. So we're giving this like 10 more minutes or less than 10 minutes because I love when my gravy is nice and thick. But look at the beauty, guys. Guys, it is about that time. Tell me if this is not the best curry chicken recipe you have ever seen. I wish you guys could taste this. Oh my god, look at that nice gravy. Look at that, guys. Nice and thick. My curry is rich. The aroma is so awesome. Guys, give me a thumbs up, share out this video, let me know what you think about this recipe. Come over here, let us plate this together, guys. Plate up a little bit of this, guys. Looking absolutely amazing. Guys, yes, I'm from an Indian background, so you know I have the best curry recipe. Okay? Nice. I'm gonna put some Irish potato. Lovely. Just like that. There you have it, guys. My curry chicken recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thumbs up this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Hope you enjoy. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time.